In this video, we are going to see the properties of ultrasonic waves. Normally, the ultrasonic wave is defined as inaudible sound with a high frequency for human, the frequency of which generally exceeds 20 kHz. These days, sound waves, which is not intended to be heard, is also called ultrasonic wave. So the properties of ultrasonic waves, the first one is frequency of ultrasonic wave is more than 20 kHz, that is 20,000 Hz. It have a short wavelength, that is here V stands for velocity is equal to frequency into lambda. If the frequency is equal to 20 kHz means that is 20,000 equal to V by F. So the V value velocity is 348 divided by frequency is 20,000. So when you divide these values, we are getting the lower value, that is the 0.0017 meter. And next property is it travels long distance without considerable loss of energy. And next one is the fourth one is it undergoes reflection, refraction and absorption when incidence on the surface of other medium. So these are all the four properties of ultrasonic waves. That is it have a frequency of 20 kilohertz. That is a 20,000 hertz. Another one is it have a short wavelength, and also the it travels the distance, long distance. And another one is that is the undergoes the reflection, refraction and absorption when incidence on the surface of the other medium. The properties of the ultrasonic wave is it travels with the speed of sound, because we know very well about the speed of sound is very higher. It is the fastest one, so it is look like a sound waves. It is traveling very in a speeder manner. So it does 348 meter per seconds. That is the one of the important properties of the ultrasonic waves. And also the ultrasound shows the negligible diffraction. This is also the another properties of the ultrasonic waves. And next one is the speed of propagation of ultrasonic waves increases with the increases frequencies of the ultrasonic waves. That is the V stands for the velocity. Velocity is directly proportional to the F, that is the frequency. Here let us take frequency 1, that is the F1 is equal to 20 kilohertz, and if we are taking the V1 as a velocity for the particular frequency 1, and if you are taking F2 is equal to 30 kilohertz and its velocity is a V2. So the I said that is it is the V is directly proportional to the F, means the frequency of the second ultrasonic wave will travel faster than the first one. And because that is here the second is, that is the F2 is equal to 30 kilohertz. That is the 30 kilohertz is higher frequency, and its velocity is, that is the increased value. So that is the V is directionally proportional to the F1. That's why the frequency of the second ultrasonic wave will travel faster than the first case, because the first frequency range is 20 kilohertz and its velocity also lower than the second case. So this is the seventh property, and the next one is the eighth property is ultrasonic waves travels with a constant speed in a homogeneous medium. Homogeneous medium means that is the uniform medium. If the medium will change means that is the speed also change. So when you see in this medium, it depends on that is how it is traveling, means it depends on the density of the medium only, not for the medium. If you are changing the medium, definitely it will be changed. So we always the speed is constant, means it is in the homogeneous. So ultrasonic waves travels with a constant speed in a uniform medium. So these are all the properties of the ultrasonic waves. Other applications of the ultrasonic waves in the medical field we'll see in the next slide. So in this video we have seen that all the properties of the ultrasonic waves.